This video covers a few triads built on the note E. G, just a regular G triad. Then we take the upper note, take it up a whole step, excuse me. Use fourth finger in the right hand here. Then the lower middle note up a half step. Use third finger now in the left hand. See, you might notice that this is a C chord in second version. This is a different fingering than we were using before. Then change the upper middle note down a half step. Keep the fourth finger in the right hand. Then change the lower middle note down a whole step and use fourth finger then in the left hand here. Then change the upper down a half step. Now you can use third finger in the right hand for G minor, and then go back to G major. Finish it off. So it's here, upper middle, lower middle, upper middle, lower middle, upper middle, lower middle. And generally the same time, because there's so many triads here, I typically just do the 4 octaves of 4 notes per beat, but you can also do 2 octaves of 2 notes per beat if you need to. But make sure you accent on the beat and drop the wrist on these, because it's really kind of important. And you can start, because it's in G major, we need to start down here. Here. So it's... And keep it slow, down around 50 on the metronome or slow, or so, or whatever. I'll get the idea. Speed comes later. We want to keep this slow so we can be focusing on the physical feeling of where these notes are and dropping the wrist and accenting them the whole bit.